Hey guys, and welcome back to the show. So I'm so thrilled. We had over 450 entries into the competition, and just now I've just selected all 6 of the winners, and the spread of winners from all around the world is just fantastic. Our first winner is one Dmitry Pavlushin, all the way from the Russian Federation. Congratulations Dmitry, you've got yourself a humble Game Maker bundle. Our next winner comes all the way from Bulgaria, and that is an Ivan Petrov. Ivan Petrov, come on down. You just won yourself a humble Game Maker bundle. Check out your mail. Link will be right there. I'm sending it to you right now. Our third winner comes all the way from Italy. It's a Fabiano Marcamini. Thank you so much for entering the competition. You've just won yourself a humble Game Maker bundle. Please check your email for the link to claim your prize. Thanks again so much for entering this competition, and I hope you enjoy and create great things and follow me along this journey to make something fantastic. The fourth winner is one Chris Marlett. Well done Chris, you come all the way from Canada. So happy to see my reaches so far north, and I hope the weather is great today. Check your email immediately because there's going to be a prize. Congratulations, thank you so much for entering the competition. Y Wong all the way from Sweden. Check out your email. You got yourself a humble Game Maker bundle, and I hope you can also join me in this adventure and maybe we'll make something great together. And our final winner also has the best name ever, Mads Dan Eriksson. Mads Dan, that's brilliant. All the way from Denmark. Congratulations Mads Dan, thank you so much for entering the competition. Please check your email. You will see that you'll have a link where you can claim your humble Game Maker bundle. Again, I'd just like to thank everyone who entered this competition. There were just so many great responses here. I'm seeing so many good people that are interacting with this channel from all over the world, and I can't wait to run the next giveaway real soon. Hopefully it's going to be some Game Maker Studio 2 material and tools. Fingers crossed everyone. So until next time, happy coding, and if you're one of the lucky 6, please check your email. There will be a link for you to claim your prize. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good life. I'll see you with my very next video soon.